Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae, and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss replacement SNAP benefits for Hurricane Helene. We're also going to talk about summer EBT. Yes, this is a thing, even though it's fall. We have $725 a month and a whole lot more. So if you want to know what's going on in the lovely world of EBT, my darling, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below and you're in just like that. So while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, especially if you love me bringing this content to you. Now, guys, if you are an EBT recipient or not, you can try out Amazon free for 30 days by clicking the link in the cards, or I'll put it down in the description box. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your prayers. I had a very successful surgery yesterday. And when I tell you things went well, it went well. So depending on when I post this video, the surgery was on Friday. I feel great. I feel fine. So yeah, I'm my normal self. So I definitely attribute that to your prayers. But let's go ahead and jump into the summer EBT, because some people are going to get snowbucks instead of sunbucks. Yeah, I know. We're still waiting. All right, guys. So Missouri finally has given us an update on their summer food aid, and they said by the end of the year, all children should have received their benefits. So the aid was, of course, intended to be distributed during the summer break to help family and kids avoid like a drop off in nutrition while they were out of school. But yeah, that didn't happen for certain states. Now, Missouri did not begin issuing their benefits until September 19th, but they have theirs prioritized as well. And I think as of right now, they have only issued 9,500 Missouri kids have received them out of 490,000 kids that are estimated to receive the benefits, which would amount to about $58.8 million. So state officials said that they were dealing with technical issues, and this is what caused the delay in the federal approval, and it hindered the earlier launch of the program. So around December 10th, most of the kids that are on free or reduced lunch, you should have your benefits issued, because that's the deadline that the schools have to submit their eligibility data to the department. So I'm thinking if they have to submit it, then y'all probably not going to get it on the 10th, but we're going to say that, okay? Those who are not automatically eligible, you will be required to submit an application. Parents, please be on the lookout for these cards, because some people have started receiving cards. They prioritize like foster children first, and they're saying that the cards are blue like your regular EBT cards, not white. So I don't know if you're Missouri. Tap in the comments, let us know. But if you are in Ohio, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, Louisiana, and you had your food that was spoiled due to the lack of electricity, or you couldn't run your refrigerator or freezer, then right now you can apply for your replacement SNAP benefits. You can go to your Department of Human Resources website, especially if you bought this food with your SNAP benefits. Now, of course, to get replacement SNAP, one, you must already be receiving SNAP benefits. You haven't had to lose power for more than 4 hours, or your utilities were shut off for any reason, your home was damaged by fire, flood, or storm. Once again, you must be a current SNAP recipient. I haven't seen disaster SNAP be released just yet, but in Florida, they have where you have to complete the form by October 6th. And in Florida, they have where it only applies to certain counties as well. So make sure you check the website. They do have a form you can fill out, send it in. Let me know if you're still without power as well in Florida. But speaking of replacement benefits, don't forget Congress has extended the SNAP replacement benefits through December 20th as a part of the federal stopgap legislation. So remember, in 2022, Congress passed the Consolidated Appropriations Act, which included funding for SNAP replacement benefits. Now, this provision was set to expire on Monday, September 30th of this year. But remember, you get the replacement SNAP because all across the US, like scammers have stolen SNAP benefits from clients using skimming devices on card readers or any other fraudulent means. And because EBT cards, they're not like your traditional debit card, it lacks that security protection. And this is how they're able to get or obtain your funds. And hey, that's how they're able to steal your money. So what states were doing was paying out the financial benefits that were stolen to you and replacing them as well. And it was supposed to end on Monday, but now it has been extended until December 20th as well. So, hey, if you had your benefits stolen, definitely go ahead and apply for your replacement benefits. You now have until December 20th. We don't know what's going to happen after that. If we're hopefully the microchip cards will be coming out, because remember, California was supposed to send theirs out in August, but then it got delayed due to technical issues. So by January, California should have their microchip cards, and hopefully this will stop all the scamming that's going on. But we'll see. All right, let's go ahead and move on with some more money, honey. Now, speaking on Monday, September 30th, the Guaranteed Income Pilot Program for Sacramento is going to give families $725 a month. So, some Sacramento County families in need, you can get this $725 per month. The applications do open on Monday under the Family First Economic Support Pilot Program. And this is for families that are struggling to pay their rent, keep up with their bills. Now, this program can be huge and help so many people since there's really no restrictions on how families can spend that money. People who want to apply, you have to meet all the following requirements. So, one, you must be parents or legal guardians of a Black or African American or even Indian or Alaska Native child between the ages of 0 and 5 years old. Now, families, you also must have an annual household income of under 200% of the federal poverty level as well. So, for example, your annual household income needs to be less than $40,880 if and if you live in a household of two. Now, of course, they do have where families must live in the following zip codes. So it's like 95815, 95821, 2325, 28, and 38. So that's what they have going on in California. You can start applying on Monday, September 30th. But also, speaking of Monday, September 30th, if you are in Wyoming and you're in WIC, your old cards should not work at that time. They have sent out new cards where they have for their program with the Wyoming Department of Health as well. So they said participants should have already received their new cards. The new ones should start working on Tuesday, October 1st. The updated technology will allow participants to easily and quickly monitor your benefit balances. And this works well, they said, with a combination of the WIC Shopper app as well. So I don't know if they're doing these WIC cards in all the states. Let me know if you're on WIC. You can download the app if you have an Android or an iPhone as well. But from my understanding, now WIC has new cards that they are giving out as well. So this is what we have going on in the news. The main thing is tap in. Let me know if you're still without power. I know quite a few people I've seen online stated that they did not have power in Florida. If you are in Florida and you did lose power, go online and apply for your SNAP replacement benefits. They also do have a phone number that you can call. This also happens for Ohio, Georgia, Louisiana, South Carolina. If you were affected by the hurricane, let me know that everything is good with you. Once again, thank you so much for your prayers. Grab you some Amazon Prime. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys. Roll Tide. I'm just saying. Did y'all see the game? Roll Tide. All right, bye, y'all.